gentlemen,
Nakay FC.
we're going to volunteering here in Padang. I'm with my group. We are 4. So we go walking, going to the venue. And place was there. We are here in front of National Gallery, Singapore. National Gallery, Singapore. Good morning, everyone. Today is December 1. We are 4:49 in the morning, and we're going here for volunteer in the Standard Chartered. Go as one. Go beyond. Oh. We are the purple team. We are the purple team. National Gallery.
Di naman marinig ang boses mo dyan, ang hina.
Malakas yan.
Wala kang mic, wala kang headset, hindi yan marinig.
Here, National Gallery, Singapore. We're starting at 5 o'clock in the morning. This is Padang. So we're here already. We're entering the gate. We're entering the gate, Singapore Marathon Standard Chartered. Good morning. So we're entering the gate. Here is St. Andrew Road. So this place is closed. It's closed for the runners. The other group was there, orange color. And this is the venue inside, friends. So, as you know, we don't sleep. We just wait for the shuttle bus. But the shuttle bus go in our place earlier, as stated in the schedule. So we just took a taxi from our place going here. Good morning, everyone. There's so many purple color there. Purple. So the venue is here. Team Nila. Recovery Pavilion.
Of the Singapore Marathon, you can see two leading the charge with Tibet following closely behind.
We're looking
And
for
you
our
can see
group.
5 at the back struggling a little to keep up with the pace. We have already had 2 or 3 stragglers right behind. So this hill is really taking its toll.
I'm going to say, Shane, considering how quickly you broke away from the rest of the pack, doing well to stay in that top 5.
Amazing. I'm really amazed to look at the way we run up the hills. It's very crucial when we run up the hill.
Do we need to leave our bag?
We're reducing the stride length to maintain the effort
Bag
as we go up that
collection,
access.
massage. We are
Tricky Blackout, by the way, is Mark Benjamin, the Spaniard, 35
in the
years old. He does have the season best from one of his
Cup
home marathons in
Runners Club.
Sevilla, February earlier on this year, with a time of 2:12:47. Not far off his PE, in fact, which is 2:11 set under 23. So he's really coming into his own over these couple of years. I know we spoke about age not necessarily being a massive factor, but 35, say, he's hitting his sweet spot.
Yeah. It's a sweet spot for marathon running. Wow, right now we can see Piper still slightly dropping back.
Bring my small bag.
From the
It's my group, so we're looking for our team leader, our captain. All the purple are volunteer. See the purple colors?
haven't dropped back in
There.
the second or third pack. Not even tax advantage anymore.
So we're going to bag collection. Okay, maputik din. Sweat.
Hindi mo papalitan yun.
Oo nga.
May malapit na ito.
Sweat. Exit to the Potion Cove yan. Kasi si Tina, kasi hinahanap rin niya yung kasamahan niya eh. Ewan ko yung uniform niya ba? Bag collection daw dyan. Waiting for our friends, for our group.